beauty babes, it's your favorite YouTuber, Brittany Nicole, back at it with another video. So if you read by the title, you already know what it is. So today, you guys, I am going to be installing my lace front wig for the very first time. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments below anything else that you would like to see, and I will get it done. So with further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, you guys, so I am coming to you with a wig. It is called the Daily, upside down. Whoop, that was right. It is the Daily wig. It comes pre-plucked. Take it out of the back real quick. This is, you know, what it was called. Whatever. This is what it's looking like. Something like this. So you guys, it comes, like I said, it comes pre-plucked to inside. It is a 13 by 6. There's clips on the inside of the wig. So with further ado, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace just for the sake of this video, and I will be back. And alright, you guys, so I have cut my lace, so now we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
Oh! He needs some milk.
For a while, I've been meaning to shoot this video and just haven't got around to it, and I've been too lazy to re-braid them, so yeah. By the way, you guys, let me know down in the comments below if you actually prefer this got to be glue or the old got to be glue. Personally, I like this got to be glue because for one, it dries a whole lot faster. I've noticed I've been trying this one out, it takes forever to dry. But let me know down in the comments below if you've actually tried this one, and let me know if you actually liked it. Even I've been sitting here blow drying and my hair is still somewhat down. So, yeah. Alright, you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and do one more time just to make sure it sits. Because like I said, it doesn't dry nothing like the original. You know, the original goes. And I want to make sure that the cap doesn't move, so I'm going to go one more round. Alright, you guys, I think this is about far as it's gonna get dry. Let's hope and pray that the cap doesn't move. Now I'm just going to get my scissors if I can find them, and I'm gonna cut the cap off. So. Alright guys, so I've already put the wig on. I haven't installed it yet. All I am doing is pulling the hair back so that I can glue it down. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. At first, I was excited about the color. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first time doing color. I always stick to black because I just think black looks best on me. I'm not really sure if I even like the color. Let me know down in the comments if you like the color on me. I don't know. I'm not really feeling it right now. So. Just let me know. I'm going back to the old head because, for one, like I told y'all, the other got to be glue. I'll have to try this on a different day when I have the patience and I'm trying to get out of the house. Even though, you know, the corona stuff is going on, you guys just continue to be safe. But I'm trying to get me and the kids out of the house. We're headed to a cookout, and you know, your girl ain't got time to be doing all this extra. Ugh.
Mama.
What? Alright. Let me know down in the comments below what exactly are y'all doing? Wow, a lot of people at this moment. This quarantine. This is pretty much Alright guys, this is the final look. Tell me if you like this look on me and if you would like to see me do more tutorials like this. And until next time, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below if you like this video and like to see more videos like this. And until next time, you guys, remember, you're a boss. Bye.